Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a recipe video today. This is a marshmallow fluff frosting. I have a 7-ounce jar of marshmallow fluff with 2.5 cups of sugar, 2 sticks of butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And this is room temperature butter that I am starting off with. I'm just going to whisk this up until it is nice and soft and on high. And here you have my baby wanting to be in the video with me. Okay, now I can go ahead and add my fluff, and I'm adding the whole jar. This is a 7-ounce jar. And I'm just going to whisk this on high again until it is fully combined. And scraping the sides. Now I'm going to add half of my powdered sugar, and I'm also going to be adding my teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just going to whisk this on low because I don't want any of my powdered sugar flying all over the place. Whipping this until it is nice and combined, and then I will add the rest of my sugar. So I'm just going to do a scrape off the side, and then I am going to put this on high and just let it whisk until it is nice and fluffy. And this is what my frosting looks like. This is perfect for making a s'mores theme cake, which I will be doing on my next video. But today I will just be piping this onto some cupcakes just to show you the consistency of it. Now I have my frosting in a 1M piping tip. And I'm just going to do a dollop on top. And as you can see, it pipes on really well. And I had my daughter try this, and she said she can definitely taste the marshmallow fluff in this. It was one of her favorite frostings so far. Hopefully you guys like my video on how I did this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.